What's going on, YouTube? I received these two boxes in the mail and thought I'd do a very quick, today, I always say this, but today will be a very quick unboxing. Just want to show off what I picked up. These two pieces will actually be the beginning of my next project. So let's take a look. This always pisses me off. Just want to show you the condition of one of the boxes, how it arrived today. This box came fine, but this box, I guess he just chucked it out of the truck right into my driveway. So I've gone ahead and broke open the seal on both. Much wasn't needed with this one, of course. Can you guys guess? So of course this is Leatherface from the 2003 Texas Chainsaw Massacre remake, and this mask was sculpted by Addison Morrare. I hope I didn't butcher his name. It says Tommy 3.0, and it was finished, painted, and stitched, stitched, and haired by Oddfellow. And it's my very first Texas Chainsaw Massacre piece. So I thought it might be cool to get a few pieces together to build a bust that kind of resembled these guys back here. Again, if you guys remember in one of my previous videos, I explained how we built that Michael Myers. So I'll close in on some of the details here. Right off the bat, I can tell you the hairing on this is great. There's two different colored hairs, and you can see the color variation up here. My understanding is that Addison did two versions of this, a latex and silicone version. It would have been nice to been able to track down the silicone version, but latex will do for now. Just to give you an idea of the stitch work. So again, this will be the basis for my Leatherface bust. So let's take a look in the other box and see what I got. And quickly, before we go into the other package, that's the inside of the mask. And I don't know, hopefully you can tell, but the hair is hand punched on the front, which is pretty cool. And just to give you a thick latex pull, but it's hand punched. Open this box. guess you can tell already what this is. So here it is. It's a complete Leatherface costume. The pants are there. This is by SirBrad F, and picked it up from Anthony on eBay. Thank you very much. And I really like the weathering job Brad did on the leather apron. Signature shirt and tie with the leather gauntlets that he wears on his arms. I may do a bit more weathering on the shirt. Just looking at it, darken it up a little more. But that's it. There you have it. Leatherface from the 2003 remake, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Give me a couple of weeks and we'll see what we come up with. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in the next. I'm actually going to be next week on vacation, so I may not be posting a video for another week or two. So while I'm away, I hope you guys have fun, enjoy the summer, and again, I'll see you guys in the next.